Hi, welcome back to another video. We've got some Born Pretty goodies today. I'm going to crack on and swatch the bits that I need to swatch, but I'm going to try and fit in a set if possible. So right, I've still got these what I need to use from my last Born Pretty order. So this is a 15ml bottle of rubber base coat. It's absolutely gorgeous. It's so thick and sticky, which you want for a rubber base coat. Great for if you've got nail beds like mine, what are very uneven, or ridged nail beds, stuff like that. Really good for filling in the gaps. So we are going to use that today. But I also had this, which is a 10ml colour, and it's BP53, which is a gorgeous glitter. So I thought we'd give it a quick swatch. It's got obviously it's purple, but it's got a it's like a real fine shimmer to it. So they're not big glitter pieces. It's really difficult to show you. Hang on, let me just take that off there, and then hopefully you can see the glitter. Very pretty. Let's just put that back on. And then I've also got in this batch, we've got glitter thermal gel. This one is CCG, sorry, 01. You're going to get a siren any second, I'm so sorry. So it's almost like a tortoiseshell colour. With glitter in it. We're going to put that in. That's that one. And I've also got a Jelly Nude Gel Polish, BPJN20. Forgotten what colours I ordered. That's a pretty colour. It's like a I'd call it like a, well, I would call it a red, but it's very pretty. Ooh, look, that's the colour that the colour changing one goes to, but it's in the lamp. What did I do then? Right, let's put the tops on those. I haven't decided what I'm going to use out of those. I've also got an extension gel, which is soft nude, and it's 55428-3. So I'm going to put this on the inside of this. Just going to put a bit down there. I'm not going to put a lot on because I don't want to waste it. I'd rather use it in a set. So it's a nice nude colour. I'd say midway between a pink and a light sort of beige. Just going to take those out the lamp. Okay, let me unlock my screen again. So I have just top coated over that quickly. So that is the purple with the, haven't put it on very well, have I? Typical me. That is the purple anyway, what's got a shimmer to it. It's really nice. I'm going to use that one today. And then that is the jelly colour. And then that one is the extension gel. Have a look at that side. You can see it's nice colour, I like it. And then this one is the thermal one. So it starts off really dark and brown, and then when you put it in the lamp, it goes to like an orange colour, orangey yellow. And it's got glitter in it. So that's those ones. I've also got Shiny Glitter Painting Gel BPGP03, and it's called Golden Rod. Okay, I have taken the top off it. It's gorgeous. Oh my god, that's better. It's absolutely beautiful. It is. So we'll use that one as well today. And the other thing I have got to use is this little kit. So solid cream nail gel. Okay, 12 months shelf life. You get a little gel brush with it. So cute. And then this is obviously palette 01. Okay, and in it you get all of those gorgeous colours. Aren't they nice? So I think we'll use that as well today. I'm not going to use the brush because I've already got numerous gel brushes out. So yeah, I think we'll use some of those colours. We will. Right, I'm going to get some tips ready and we'll crack on. Okay, I'm going to go to voiceover now, just so we can speed this up a little bit. I'm going to go in on these nails with some of the rubber base coat from Born Pretty. It's ideal for if you've got ridges in your nails. It just gives you that extra bit of coating on your nail bed before you put anything else on. So it is a lot thicker than normal base coat. That has been cured for 60 seconds, and then I'm going to use this cream gel palette. I'm going to use the colour that I'm using on the two exterior nails, and then I'm going to use another one of the nudes on the two nails in the middle. I'll do first coats on camera, and then I will do another coat off camera to speed this up a little bit. That will go in the lamp for 60 seconds to cure. The brush that I'm using is a Born Pretty brush. You can get a pack of 3, I think it is. And one end has got gel brush on the end, and then the other end is like a detailer brush. I'm going to go in and just matte top coat these now, because I'm just going to put something on top. And I'm going to use the gorgeous rose gold glitter gel that I got from Born Pretty. I'm just going to put a little bit round that cuticle at the top, and then I'm just going to use my detail brush, and then I do go onto an ombre brush just to drag it down slightly. So you don't want to drag it all down, you want to leave a lot of it at the top, but just drag a little bit down. On the pointer, I do it on the other end. So I will do, with my detail brush, I will put some on the free edge, and then I will drag it the opposite way, so we're going to drag it back towards the cuticle. And then once that is done, pop that in the lamp for 60 seconds to cure. Okay, once that's cured, we can go in with some top coat and just seal those two in so they're done and out the way. And then next up, as you can see on my ring finger, I'm just going to do sort of a wiggly line is what I would call it, and at the same time doing another line sort of towards the middle of the nail, and then we're just going to put it into sections. I've just randomly done the sections, okay, and then what I'm going to do with that is pop it in the lamp to cure. It's just black gel paint that I did that with, and then I'm just going to go over those with some rose gold. It's like a fine glitter, but it comes out like a chrome, so it won't be black anymore, it'll be rose gold. I've left them as they are. We're going to use some of the purple glitter gel polish that I've got from Born Pretty, and I'm just going to do the one half of that nail, and I've done the ring finger as well, exactly the same. We're going to do that with that purple sparkly gel polish. It's gorgeous, it's so nice. That's gone in the lamp for 60 seconds to cure, and then we're going to go back to the palette, and in each of these little segments we're just going to use some of the colours from that palette. I use I think a couple of the nude colours, and then I think I use the red as well. I didn't want to use the glitter ones in this because I wanted to keep it rose gold, so we'll use those at a later date on a different set. But I'm not going to do completely all the segments. I'm going to leave a couple on each because I want to go in with some gel polish and just sprinkle some acrylic over it. So we're going to fill in on each nail. We're going to go, yeah, we go back in with that rose gold again, so I'm going to use some of that for the so it ties in with the two exterior nails. Once they're filled in, apart from the two that I'm going to put gel polish in, I'll just pop them in the lamp to cure. And then I'm going to go over with some matte top coat before I do the next one, because obviously I don't want the acrylic to stick to any other part of that nail, so we matte top coat first. Just going to use from another company just a little bit of nude colour, but I wanted it quite bright, a bright nude, so it's like a creamy colour. I'm just going to fill in those blank spaces that I've got in the middle, and then I'm going to, while it's wet, tip over some clear acrylic. I just wanted it to be sort of like a different, look different to the rest of it, a different texture to it. Now you can leave it like that and top coat around those once it's cured, but I actually want to top coat the whole lot again just to seal it completely all in and make everything else shiny again. That is a super easy set for you to do. How easy is that? And you're done, you're finished, and you can go out the door. If you want anything from Born Pretty, please do help yourself to my discount code, which is on the screen. I'll leave it in the description box as well, and I will leave you with a few pics. That was just a little quick set just to show you what you can do. Yeah, and I'll see you next time. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.